I hope you're happy, healthy and safe. So last week I made a tikka biryani recipe and I had a lot of fun doing it. It was nice reading the comments from everyone and from people that I hadn't spoken to for a long time. Today I'm doing a chicken pot pie recipe. Elisa's coming. Yes, you can hear Elisa and she is coming here.
So I thought I'd do a funny filter for a bit so it keeps her attention. But it was really nice connecting with a lot of friends that I haven't spoken to for a long time. Today I'm doing pot pie and
Okay, I'm going to quickly speak. So it was really nice connecting with old friends and reading such uplifting messages. So today I'm going to make pot pie, like I said, chicken pot pie. It's a bit spicy. It's something that I made up on the spot. It's not the original, like an original pot pie recipe. It's like a made up one, but
Mommy!
I really like it. So yeah, Elisa's giving me trouble today, but we're going to get through this, right? Yes? Yes or no? Say yes or no.
Yes and no.
Are we?
Yes.
Okay, are you going to be good?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get to it.